Ni taarifa ambazo ni za kusherekewa kwa ambao ni mawakili wa naibu wa rais Rigathi Gachagua. The lawyers that were representing Rigathi Gachagua, including senior counsel Paul Muite and the 4 petitioners that went ahead to file a petition to the High Court to stop the swearing in and the nomination of Kithure Kindiki as the new Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Why am I saying this? The news coming onto our news desk right now is that Kithure Kindiki has the move has currently been served to stop Kithure Kindiki from being the next Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya kulingana na mswada ambao tumeweza kuupokea. And I want to read this. In the High Court of Kenya at Nairobi City, court name Milimani Law Court case number, citation Rigathi Gachagua versus State Law Office and Senate and 3 others. Orders, court document. This matter coming up for direction on the notice of motion and petition both dated 18th October 2024 before Honorable Justice E.C. Muita, and upon considering the pleadings, supporting affidavits and attachment, I am certified that the petition and application raise monumental constitutional issues touching not only at the heart of a functioning constitution but also its fundamental tenets of the rule of law and human rights. It is hereby ordered as a matter of urgency, number 1, that the pleading be served immediately and be responded to within 3 days after service. Number 2, that due to the significance of issues raised in the petition and application, I certify this matter as raising substantial questions of law and public interest and therefore fit to be heard by a bench of an even number of judges to be appointed by the Honorable, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, Martha Koome. The file be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice immediately for consideration in the regard. Number 3, that in the meantime, and due to the issues raised in the petition and the application and the urgency demonstrated, a conservatory order is hereby issued staying implementation of the resolution of the Senate upholding the impeachment charges against the petitioner, the Deputy President of Kenya, including appointment of his replacement, until 24th October 2024, when the matter will be mentioned before the bench to be appointed by the Chief Justice for appropriate orders and action. Given under my hand and seal of the Honorable Court this 18th day of October 2024, penal notice. Take notice that any disobedience or non-observance of the order of the court served herewith will result in penal consequences to you and any other persons disobeying and not observing the same. Signed by Honorable Justice E.C. Muita. Justice Muita has broken the circle and decided that he will rule on the best interest of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Yes, but now the question is, the bench that will be appointed, will it be fair to the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya? Because a bench was appointed to stop the impeachment motion at the Senate, and the bench went ahead to rule in support of the impeachment motion and allowed the impeachment motion to proceed to the Senate, where the impeachment has taken place. Now the petitioners have come back to petition to stop the appointment and the swearing in of Kithure Kindiki as the next DP of the Republic of Kenya until on 24th of October, which is next week on Thursday. Are we together? Which means that now it's upon William Ruto, it's upon the government to either adhere to these conservatory orders or to go ahead and swear in his Deputy President, as we are being informed that they are already prepping for the swearing in of Kithure Kindiki at State House as we speak right now. So will William Ruto listen to the High Court, listen to Justice Muita, Because William Ruto has been known as a man that has always not upheld the rule of law when it comes to matters of urgency, as this one. He was ordered to stop some other things, like the university funding model was not approved, the housing the projects were not approved. But William Ruto went ahead to build them in regardless of whatever orders were given from the High Court. So right now, the Milimani Law Court has said, don't go ahead with the swearing in of the new DP. But I assure you that the new DP will be sworn in regardless of whatever they say. Ruto does not uphold the rule of law. The urgency of the matter on how it was carried out portrays a very significant picture. You know, ingekuwa kama hata hiyo bunge lingeweza, the National Assembly, if it was possible that they would hold a sitting yesterday night to vote on the impeachment of the DP. If it's not that the time wouldn't have allowed, they would have sat down and voted that Kithure Kindiki become the new DP and swear him yesterday at night, to avoid these conservatory orders that are coming from Justice Mwita. Now, Martha Koome has been given the authority as the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya to appoint an even bench of judges to review this impeachment motion, to review the ruling by the Senate, to make sure that they come up with a solution. Is Gachagua going to retain his office as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya? Mpira upo ugani, mpira upo uwanjani, ni kupitishiana pasi za hapa na pale chini chini. But I assure you, I am not a prophet, but I tell you that Kithure Kindiki by tomorrow will be the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, no matter what. I want to read a few comments. Yes, they have there is a credible thing and a credible case by Rigathi Gachagua's team. But who are you taking your case to? This is not a country that currently, through its systems, upholds the rule of law. It doesn't. Now let's read a few comments. Angula says they can't impeach the guy so fast like that without even doing it properly, and he is away again. Then nominate someone else the next day. Something is fishy. Hawa watu si wajenge tu inchi, waache ujinga. Cindy anasema I said it, and if the court consider public participation, the son of Madeira will be back. Wapi? Joyce anasema Tharaka Nithi wako celebration ya mtoto wao, ogopa Ruto. Lewis anasema shetani ametoa bet. Nelly Sanz anasema they thought amemalizwa kumbe alikuwa kadi. Motusa typing and farting aggressively. Mnauliza honorable Mwangi Motusa nini? Yeah, let's what's up. Niambieni maoni yenu kwenye comment section. Remember, this is Celeb Corner KE, and here we keep you updated with the latest trends in town.